Hi, Dr. Yass. This is Kathy Sweeney here. I just wanted to give you a quick follow-up video or testimonial about your amazing work and how much it's improved the quality of my life. Just a little backstory for anyone who might be listening. I've been in chronic pain for about 7 or 8 years. It's been really trying and horrible, and some days are just impossible. I was diagnosed with 7 herniated discs and 5 bulging discs. I personally don't really think there's a whole lot of difference between those two things. And I also was told I have a scoliosis curve. And, I guess that's about it. I've been to physical therapy. I've had Reiki. I've been to an acupuncturist. I've seen a nutritionist and chiropractic care. And I continue to have pain regardless. I thought I was doing everything I could, and in fact, I was. Those are all the things that are available to people like me, or people like the rest of America. It's remarkable how little the industry knows about pain, what causes it, what it really means when you're in pain. And for the most part, you'll be put on a antidepressant or something like that, and you just kind of manage your pain and your days. And I was unable to do things for any real length of time. Like by 2 hours, I didn't have the mental capacity to concentrate on whatever I was doing. I could barely articulate a sentence. And I'm embarrassed to say that I was always planning an exit from the planet. I was always thinking that, suicide could be an option here. And it's very sad to think about, but I clearly do not think I could have gone on for much longer. So I really do appreciate you, and seeing me in New York at the end of September made a significant difference in my life. The very next day after my appointment with you, a coworker said to me, "Are you wearing a back brace?" And I said, "No, but I know that I'm standing significantly straighter." And that was remarkable. And that was less than 24 hours after I saw you. So I do, like I said, I do appreciate what you have done. I know it took a lot of courage to kind of buck the system and try to, shout from the mountaintops that it's your muscle pain that you're feeling, and it's not all your emotional pain, and it's not all of this and that. And they don't know how to help you because they're not making the correct adjustments and muscles strong enough to help the imbalances that have just occurred due to injury or overuse or poor strength. I have a regret that I know I came across your name several years ago, and I was unable to make an appointment, and then you were down in Florida. So when you came across my radar again, I was so excited and so happy, and I was so hopeful, and it worked out great, and so great, as a matter of fact, that I even took some time off doing some of your exercises, just getting caught up, like having the ability to just, my body be such a non-issue that I took it for granted. And I started to feel all my pain again. And I realized how much I've been through and how simple of a fix it could be if you're doing all these repetitive things that are making this pain happen. And you can single-handedly get some exercises that'll make you feel like a human being again and to make you want to be alive. And you know, if anyone needs any more information, or I hope to do a couple of more videos for you. I wanted this to be a little shorter, and I have kind of like a virus going on, so my voice keeps crackling in and out. But I really am so appreciative, and I know my family is too, because they know that it's been really, really difficult for me, and they're glad I'm still here. All right, well, thank you so much again. I will reach out to you if I have any more questions. Your exercises are very simple, and they're done 3 times a week. And it's overall, the appointment cost, everything was probably, I have more TENS machines, more lidocaine patches, and muscle creams, and everything else. So I'm begging anyone out there, if you think you've done it all, you haven't. You've just been exposed, and the medical system has you believing things that aren't true. And you have the power, and your body is your friend. So take good care of it. See Dr. Yass, read the Pain Cure RX, and I am forever grateful. Thank you so much.